Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to publish your Base44 app to the Apple App Store. First, open Base44 and create your app. You can design it the way you want, add pages, customize features, and make sure everything works correctly. When you are happy with how your app looks, publish it directly from Base44. After publishing, Base44 will create a live website version of your app. This website link is very important because it will be used to convert your app into an iOS application. Copy the website link from the address bar. Now open your browser and go to appmyweb.net. Log into your account or create a new one if you don't have one yet. Once you are on the dashboard, click on the option to create a new app. When asked for your app name, use the same name you used on Base44. Then paste your Base44 website link into the website field and click Continue. You will see a live preview of how your Base44 app looks on an iPhone. Take a moment to check that everything loads properly. Try opening different pages and make sure all buttons and links work. If something doesn't look right, go back to Base44, fix it, republish, and restart the process. Once you are satisfied with how the app works, continue inside the appmyweb.net to generate the iOS app build. The site will create an IPA file, which is the file format required by Apple. You will also need an active Apple developer account to publish the app. Log into App Store Connect, create a new app record, upload the IPA file, and fill in all the required details. After Apple reviews and approves it, your Base44 app will appear on the App Store as a native iOS app. Thanks for watching.